Alright, I got one of the new Geo Arcade sticks. I got 100 and, oh sorry, this is just a 32 gig micro USB, and I've got the HyloStick. Let's see, I was trying to get this in a good spot where I can see it. Anyway, there's 181 games in this section here.
Round one.
Get back in. Alright, well, anyway, so I hit the options button, and I can go to exit and play any of the home angles here. So the other thing is that you go here to settings, pick game systems, and you can see there's Neo Geo, Capcom, Nintendo, and some other things. Obviously and this will reboot sort of and put it into the Capcom mode section, and then there you go. Oh, these are fun games. The Dragon. Capcom should let me choose. Oh, that's one. Okay. Anyway, if you hit options again, you still get the same menu where you can save where you left off, like a save state, or you can just exit out of the game. There's 94 games in this section. When you go to the other systems, I think most of them are ran by RetroArch, so that's what you're interested in. We'll just check out Nintendo real quick, and then, you know, I'll just leave it at that. There's a lot of fun, just really cool features. It just depends on how you want to, you know, play the game with a big controller like this. see if we hit the option. Oh, there's the exit menu. And it starts at the top and just go back to Neo Geo. Anyway, yeah, most part, that's the all I want to show you. Thanks. Bye.